How to catch a wild lizard. Lizards are found almost anywhere in the world. If you have noticed some lizards near your home, you may have wanted to catch one. Always be careful handling wild animals. Handling wild animals can hurt you and the animal. If you want to catch a wild lizard and hold it, there are a few things you can try. In this video, we're going to tell you the most effective strategies on how to catch a wild lizard. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. This video will tell you how to researching lizards before you start attracting lizards and catching lizards. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Method 1. Researching lizards before you start. Number 1. Research what lizards live in your area. Review maps that show the habitat of local lizards. This will help give you an idea of what kind of lizards you may be able to catch. Number 2. Know which lizards are poisonous or venomous. Before you go out and handle a lizard, make sure you know which ones could be hazard to your health. Some lizards, such as bearded dragons and leopard geckos, are not only safe to handle but are also the recommended breed of lizard to keep as pets. Number 3. Research local laws. In the United States, there are laws restricting the ownership and possession of lizards. Make sure you research your local, state, and national laws before bringing home a lizard as a pet. Your national government should have information about lizard possession on their website. Number 4. Stay healthy. Handling lizards can sometimes cause diseases. Be careful when handling any wild animal, especially lizards, to avoid getting sick with illnesses like salmonella. Salmonella can be harmful for small children. If you have kids in your home, consider their safety when bringing home or catching a lizard for a pet. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Attracting lizards. Number 1. Set up shelter on your property. Lizards like to have spaces to hide. They also need places to live, to sleep, and to relax. You can attract lizards to your yard if you place natural or man-made structures in your yard. Place rocks in your yard for shade and shelter. Plant shrubs or leafy vegetation. Number 2. Feed local lizards. To lure lizards to your property, you should attract what they eat. If you have an organic and an untidy yard or garden, you can attract bugs and moths. The more food you entice, the happier local lizards may be. Number 3. Grow specific plants to attract wildlife. Plant shrubs, grasses, and trees to create a more organic yard. Making your backyard a wild habitat will attract wild lizards and keep them happy. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Catching lizards. Number 1. Make a glass lizard trap. An easy way to catch a wild lizard is to use a glass lizard trap. You can do this in a few easy steps. Clean and prepare a glass box. You want a box large enough to catch the native lizards in your area. Cover the top of the box with plastic wrap. You want the lizard to be able to walk on the top of the box. Slice a small slit in the top of the plastic wrap. Lizards like to crawl into holes, and if a lizard is well fed, it will be more likely to look for a place to rest. Locate a lizard habitat. Place the box in your backyard if you've noticed a lot of lizards in the area. The more lizards in the area, the better the placement for the trap. Put insects or other lizard food on top of the top, near the slit in the plastic wrap. This will entice the lizard to check out the trap. Check your trap frequently. Make sure you do not leave a trapped lizard enclosed too long without food and water. Number 2. Make a lizard fishing pole. This is also known as using a lizard noose. Use a long stick. You want the stick long enough to serve as a handle. Attach a piece of string or wax dental floss to the end to the stick. This will help to not scare the lizard when you try to catch it. Tie the end of the string into a slip knot. This knot will be able to capture the lizard safely without hurting it. Slip the noose around the lizard's head and pull. This will tighten the knot and capture the lizard. Gently remove the noose from the lizard's head. Grasp the lizard in your hand and remove the nose from around the head. Be very careful if the lizard has sharp teeth. Number 3. Catch a lizard by hand. If you have safe lizards in the wild, you may be able to catch them by hand. Know that lizards move very quickly. This is especially true in long grass. Take some time to observe the habits of lizards before you try and catch it. Try and entice lizards closer to your hand by placing lizard food, insects, by your hand. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Lizards are fast. They can run up to 12 miles per hour, so you're going to need to be quick if you want to catch one. 2. Lizards are experts at camouflage. They can blend in with their surroundings very well, so it can be difficult to spot them. Look for movement and pay attention to any suspicious-looking bumps or lumps in the ground. 3. Lizards are often found near water sources, so try looking in areas that have ponds, streams, or other bodies of water. 4. Consider using bait to attract the lizard. Some lizards are attracted to certain kinds of food, so you may be able to lure one in with a tasty treat. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation, and enjoy a lizard-free environment. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Good luck, and see you in the next video.